This is January 29th, 2010. This is the lovely blizzard that we're experiencing right now. It's been snowing all day. And as you can see, snow's coming through the door. The wind's blowing pretty well. See down here on the floor, snow, very deep snow there. You see my footprint. I hope this shows up. It's beautiful. I don't have the fun out in it that I used to have. There's my sink that I use for dishes and stuff in the summer. My burn barrel there for burning trash. There's my lovely woods. Let me give you a close-up of that. That's my biggest tree right there. You can see my neighbor's house back behind it here. They live on around the road. There's my lovely Toyota wagon. I love that thing. It's very good. And this top of the swing set, which is snow covered at this moment. And I don't want to take the camera out in the snow, so I'm not going to go out any further. But you can see the blizzard quite well, how heavily it's snowing. Let's zoom back. There's the end of our trailer now. Okay, that's it for this.